Venturing into the wilderness requires preparation for any situation. That's why a comprehensive survival kit is essential, containing necessities such as medical supplies, a dependable blade, and emergency signaling equipment. These items can be crucial in challenging circumstances. This video explores 7 tactical survival kits and systems to enhance your outdoor readiness. Watch and learn. Here's the Uppack Pro from Instinct Ready, a serious all-in-one survival kit built to get you through just about anything life throws your way. Whether it's a natural disaster, roadside emergency, or you're deep off the grid, this kit's designed to help 2 people make it through 72 hours with the essentials close at hand. According to Instinct Ready, it's one of the most versatile and practical survival kits out there. And looking at what's packed inside, that checks out. You get core survival tools like a foldable saw, compact shovel, LED flashlight, multi-tool, and even waterproof matches, all geared toward helping you stay sharp and make smart moves when the pressure is on. Beyond tools, it's loaded with food rations, clean water solutions, extra clothing, shelter gear, and a full first aid kit. So you're not just surviving, you're staying functional and alert in the wild or during a crisis. Everything's organized, accessible, and built to be used, not just stored away. If you're the kind of person who'd rather be safe than sorry, the Uppack Pro is the kind of gear you'll want within reach when things go south. Planning an overlanding trip? Don't hit the trail without the Decked X Pathfinder Survival Kit. Just from a name, you know it's a solid collab between Decked and Pathfinder Survival, built to give you the practical gear you actually need out there. It all comes packed in a tough-as-nails crossbox that can take a beating and still keep your gear safe. And when it comes to what's inside, you're covered with essentials like a Mora knife, foldable saw, medical supplies, ferro striker, and a whole lot more. It's the kind of kit that earns its spot in the rig. The EC10 Can is one of those compact kits that surprises you with just how much it packs inside. Don't let the size fool you. This thing's loaded with essential survival gear, all laid out in a way that actually makes sense. Everything has its spot, so when things get tense, you're not digging around trying to find what you need. Right off the bat, the EC10 knife stands out. Small but seriously capable, it's perfect for tasks where reliability matters most. Alongside that, you've got solid basics that cover the core of survival. Fire starting tools to stay warm, an emergency tent to keep you sheltered, water purification tabs so you're not risking unsafe water, and even a signaling mirror to get attention when it counts. It's the kind of kit that slips easily into a backpack or glove box, but can make a world of difference when things go sideways. Whether you're a weekend camper or just like knowing you're ready, the EC10 can earn its keep. The 72 Pro can be anyone's go-to all-in-one survival system by none other than the Uncharted company. Designed to keep 2 people alive for up to 72 hours, this kit packs over 60 pro-grade tools inside a rugged, weather-resistant backpack that's tough enough to take a beating in the wild. Inside, you'll find everything from emergency medical gear to communication tools, and even a compact shelter setup, all neatly organized so you're not fumbling when things get serious. The included Empire knife features a solid Full-tang build with a firm grip, giving you the confidence to cut, carve, or hack through just about anything. And the foldable shovel? It's no toy, built strong enough to handle heavy digging, chopping, or even prying tasks without flinching. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, out in the backcountry, or just like to stay prepared, the 72 Pro is the kind of kit you'll be glad you had on hand. The companion from Rhino Ready isn't just another survival kit. It's a full-on all-in-one setup made for folks who take adventure seriously. Built with fire-resistant 200D microhex fabric and fully waterproof construction, this pack is tough enough to handle rain, heat, rough handling, whatever nature throws at it. But it's not just about durability. Inside, you've got a smartly packed setup that covers the real essentials. Emergency food, medical supplies, tools for warmth, and more. Whether you're out on a backcountry trip, stuck in a storm, or dealing with a roadside emergency, this kit is designed to keep you covered and calm under pressure. It's the kind of gear you throw in the back of the truck and forget about until the moment you're real glad it's there. Rhino already nailed it with this one. This right here is the Essential 2, a fully loaded emergency survival kit from Sustained Supply Company, and it's one that even the pros stand behind. What sets it apart? Well, instead of packing in a bunch of filler gear you'll never touch, this kit focuses on the essentials that actually matter when you're out in the wild or riding through an emergency. It's lean, practical, and built for real use, not just to sit pretty on a shelf. You'll get go-to basics like a Mora knife, a solid first aid kit, and 550 paracord, all of which can handle 100 different tasks in the field. On top of that, it includes a lantern and a Petzl headlamp, both reliable and bright enough to light your way when the sun drops and things get real. But one of the best parts is the emergency tent. It's designed to hold in body heat and keep you warm when the weather turns ugly, and in survival situations, that can make all the difference between just getting by and staying strong. The Essential 2 doesn't try to impress with fluff, it just works, and that's exactly what you want when things go sideways. The MS5 Survival Kit definitely earns its spot on this list, and here's why. It's not your average grab-and-go setup. This kit stands out thanks to its modular survival capsules, which neatly store your gear in compact, weather-resistant containers. It's a smart design that keeps everything organized and protected even when things get rough out there. While it doesn't come with a fire pit, it packs some seriously handy tools to keep you ahead of the game. We're talking a GPS tracker, USB charger, solid knife, LED flashlight, and more. Basically the stuff you'd want when you're far off the trail and need gear that pulls its weight. Now sure, it doesn't include food rations, but it's been loaded with fishing accessories. So if you're near water and know what you're doing, you can catch yourself a meal and keep on going. It leans more towards self-reliance than comfort. And for some folks, that's exactly what makes it worth carrying. So that was our list of 7 survival kit and survival systems for tactical survival.